Normally, I don't like frozen dinners, but this is the exception. And it's got Gordon Ramsay's face on it. And when I first saw this dish, I didn't think it was gonna be that good. And I asked my parents to buy it because I was curious to see what a dish like this would be like. And, as a longtime Gordon Ramsay fan, for those that don't know, I love his shows and I love his crazy antics on there. It's pretty amazing. And I definitely recommend that you guys watch those shows. It's it's a good experience overall. But back to the dish. Here you see me trying it. You know, it's pretty heavy on the cheese. It could use a little less sauce, but this is absolutely amazing. And for a frozen dish, it's absolutely amazing. It's like you took out a lasagna out of the oven, like a homemade lasagna out of the oven. And that's what it feels like when you take it out of the microwave in the recommended time that it specifies. So you take the dish and you take it out of its like box and you put the dish inside the microwave for like 3 minutes. After those 3 minutes, you you pull the film strip a little bit and you cook it for another like 3 minutes. After that, you let it sit there for another minute or two. And that's why it comes out to be like a homemade lasagna dish. And to be frank with you, it's amazing that it comes out that way. And I never thought I would like a frozen dinner. But, there's a problem with the other companies. I'll get to that as well, but in a future video. But overall, this is absolutely amazing, and you can tell by the aftermath and the picture after this that I was pretty happy and satisfied. So if you're looking for a dish and if you're looking for something quick and easy for dinner, or if you're a busy person, I would recommend this dish. If you can find it at your local store or online, I definitely recommend it. You would not be disappointed. It's a 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend it for sure.